This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Katie Burke. Welcome home to your luxurious primary suite with fireplace and huge siding area off the bedroom just for you. Relax at night in your own space or enjoy the open floor plan with updated kitchen and oversized den with family and friends. Stunning vaulted ceilings with huge open foyer welcome you into in the front of the home. Formal dining area, fireplace and huge living room and an addition room off the den that can serve as a playroom or office. Double garage provides you tons of room for all your needs. Located in prime area near Red Mill's new shopping district. All the new restaurants and parks are in short distance for you and your family. Come check out this home today. For more information, review the details below or contact Katie Burke at 757-403-0911.